Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Today is June the 22nd, 2021. You guys can see on my chart, we are going to give you all another price prediction into the market for Wish. That is the ticker symbol we're going to talk about. Context logic. We're going to talk about this particular stock because it has garnered a lot of attention in social media. Mainstream media even picked up on this particular stock. So it is getting a lot of attention. And with a lot of attention, you can expect a lot of volatility, i.e. increased volume and very wide price bars to which we can capitalize on and profit from. So before I tell you all where we're expecting this price to go in Wish, I want you all to, if you want to join our team, join our community, hit the like button, share, and subscribe here to the channel. That is definitely something that is going to be beneficial to you, to me, because we are enlarging this community to where we are going to dominate this space. And I want you all to join us. Okay, and we're going to give you all predictions all without being confused. That's one of the hardest things that's going on in this space, is that you have so many opinionated individuals, you have so many technical indicators, you have so many articles that you can read, you have so many financial reports that you got to go through that confuses people, right? And in this corner, to where we're dominating the space, we're here just to look at the price bars and the volume. That is all that we need. And if you want to learn that, you're at a great place. So make sure you join our team. So now, last time we did our price prediction into the market, in which was on June the 17th. You guys can see right here that we anticipated the price in Wish to go higher. Excellent call, right? We did that. Almost 20.5% right there in less than 3 days. So now let's take that away. That is done. That is over. The thing that we want to see is if Wish stock can still explode. Can we still see progressional higher price for this particular stock? So let's take this ascending line. Okay. First thing I wanted to tell you, that one of the major achievements that has occurred in Wish is the fact that the market price was able to break above that $10 price. I'm sorry, that $12 price right here. So now this is going to be contingent. Okay, this price in Wish will go higher so long as this price trades above $11.70, give or take. Somewhere around that area is where support is, and we broke that yesterday. That is monumental. That tells us that the trap, that these hedge funds, that everyone else who participates in this market for Wish is still anticipating some higher price movement. It is still there. And it took this amount of volume to break Wish above that $12 area of restriction. So that's a great achievement. All right. So keep that in mind, $12. Now, the next thing I wanted to show you is that this particular stock is still in an uptrend. Okay. Looking at this on a daily basis, this market in Wish is still trending higher in price. That's another positive sign. So we broke restriction above $12. Going forward, $12 needs to be held as support. Price will go higher so long as price continues to trade above $12. Also, this market is trending high in price. We are trending alongside that ascending line. So the environment in Wish right now is still bullish. Okay. So now, how high do you think the market's going to go? Let's look at this particular stock on a different time frame then. This is the 3-day time frame into the market in Wish, and it's still strong. So much so that I wouldn't even be surprised to see this market come up there towards the high from that 3-day price bar on June the 9th, which is $15. We're at $14.20 now in the pre-market. All the way up here towards 16. That's the closest area of restriction into the market in Wish. And given what we're looking at in terms of volume and where we've been, I wouldn't even be surprised to see this market come all the way up here towards $17.25. So $17.25. That is like another 27% movement to the upside in Wish right there. Okay. Now, obviously, you will have bouts of selling. You will have times to where the market will dip in price, which is why I'm telling everyone on our team that $12 needs to be maintained. price cannot break below $12. If it does, we're not going to go higher anymore. So let's look at the market in Wish on a 5-day time frame. This is the 5-day. Okay. The last two completed 5-day price bar, which is right here. Let me show you all that. This one. And again on this 5-day price bar, it tells us that there was a lot of selling going on in the market, but we overcame that. Like the market demand, the market interest for this stock is definitely overpowering those who are trying to sell in this space. Okay, it is. So now let me break this down to an hourly time frame real quick. And I told you that, yeah, you will see some bouts of selling come into the market as we see this particular stock try to trek higher in price, which is why we come through and TP out some profits. So our first area TP will be around this high of $15. That will still give us 11.33% from the close of yesterday. That area literally can actually be the first point to where we can see the price try to come back down. So I just want to give you all that heads up too. Then the next area is going to be around $16.64. That will be the second area we will TP. That's 23.25% profitability from the close of yesterday's trading. Now I'm going to bring it all the way up here to this support area, or the low that came in on December the 30th, December the 31st, 2020, 1750. That's where I'm looking for this market price to go in Wish. Now we still get the strength. Price breaks above $16. That would be our newest area of support. Like we're going to stair step our way to these higher prices in Wish. But so far, this particular stock is still harnessing that it can explode higher in price. It's not done yet with the market movement to the upside. Okay, so we're going to give you all this prediction right here. Still playing to strength into the market for the reasons that was mentioned early out in this video, namely price has broken restriction above $12. Now that price needs to be maintained as support. And then secondly, the market in Wish is trending higher right there alongside that ascending line. Key point, be watchful of our TP areas that we talked about on our video. So now it is your turn. Call the markets with us in Wish. Tell us where do you think the price is going to go, right? The market strength here in Wish is still there. We're going to continue to play that until we see this market break below $12. Okay. So now tell everyone in our team where you think the price is going to go. You do that by leaving a comment in the comment section as to where you think Wish is headed. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.